Okay, boys. Papa's ready to smash a stack of woke syllabi with his axe. Settle into a swaggering middle-fingered groove that howls. Enough already. Papa, for the boys. Strumming in a dive bar after just seeing a woke professor lecture on decolonizing math. Yo, boys, it's the Papa for the boys, your six-string slinger of truth, scraping by with a busted guitar and a gut full of, you gotta be kidding me. Welcome, young bucks out there, trying to be men in a world that's half lecture hall and half clown car. Today we're torching the woke garbage universities that are peddling the made-up 1619 project, anti-colonialism, pro-Palestine, drivel, and straight-up racism against white guys. But hold tight, because reality's swinging back. Trump's riding high and the left's losing its grip. Common sense is winning, boys. Stay proud, stay sharp, and let's shred this nonsense, spitting on the university seminars. Let's start with the 1619 project, the crown jewel of academic fan fiction. This New York Times fever dream says America wasn't born in 1776, but in 1619, when enslaved Africans landed in Virginia. And everything since, democracy, apple pie, your pickup truck, is just slavery's remix. They're teaching this in schools from Chicago to Cali, with over 100,000 educators slapping it into curriculums like it's gospel. Problem is, it's a house of lies. Historians like Philip Magnus and Alan Guzel have torn it apart, calling it out its logical fallacies and false equivalencies, claiming the revolution was fought to protect slavery. That's dumber than a flat earth seminar. Meanwhile, it paints white men as eternal bad guys, like our existence is a crime. It's not history, it's propaganda, and universities are eating it up like free pizza at a frat party. Then there's the anti-colonialism shtick, where every Western achievement's a sin because some explorer wore funny pants 500 years ago. Professors are out here decolonizing everything. Science, literature, even freaking algebra. They'll tell you Columbus was Satan, but forget to mention the tribes he met were no saints either, carving up their neighbors like it was a Tuesday. It's selective storytelling, brothers, designed to make you feel like you owe the world an apology for breathing. And don't get me started on the pro-Palestine garbage flooding campuses. It's less about peace and more about cheering for one side while ignoring the other's body count. These ain't debates. They're pep rallies for victimhood, and if you're a straight white dude, you're the designated villain. It's like they're casting you in a movie called Evil Patriarchy, The Reckoning. And the kicker? This woke curriculum's openly racist and sexist against you. Universities are pushing diversity. That means no white guys need apply. Job apps asking for your race and gender? That's not inclusion, it's a rigged game. Straight males are a punching bag called toxic, privileged, or oppressors just for showing up with a beard and a work ethic. Me Too made it worse, turning every wink and handshake into a potential HR complaint. Remember when it started? Sounded good. nail the creeps. But it morphed into a witch hunt where any guy's guilty until proven innocent, especially if he's white and straight. It's so absurd it's like a bad comedy sketch. Except the punchline's your career. Universities aren't teaching truth. They're churning out guilt trips, and you're the scapegoat. But here's the good news, my young kings. The tide's turning, reality's punching back, and it's wearing Trump's comb over him. The man's making a comeback, not because he's a saint, but because people are sick of the woke sermon. Schools pushing 1619 and decolonize crap are getting called out. States like Florida are banning this crap, and parents are pushing back. Common sense is rising like a bar fight at closing time. The left's losing steam. Enough is enough. You don't need to deconstruct your masculinity or apologize for your skin. You're built to think, create, lead. Be critical. Question every professor who feeds you this garbage. Be creative. Build something real, whether it's a business or a family. Be masculine. Stand tall. Protect what's yours. Love fiercely. That's your birthright, boys, and no campus activist can take it. The woke crowd's illusions, 1619, anti-colonialism, pro-Palestine, posturing, are crumbling like a cheap guitar in a rainstorm. They're losing because they're selling lies and people are waking up. You, my young bucks, are the future. Don't let some tweed-wearing PhD shame you for being a white man. You're not the problem. You're the solution. Build a life on truth, not trends. Stay proud of your mind, your muscle, your fire. Me Too's a faded joke. Laugh it off. Keep moving. The world needs you to be the best damn men you can be. So go out there and own it. Here's my riff for you, boys. Universities can peddle their woke fairy tales, but reality don't bend. Be the men you were born to be. Think sharp. Create. Create boldly and stand proud. Trump's comeback is just the start. Common sense is taking the wheel, and you're in the driver's seat. Keep rocking it. Never kneel, unless it's to God. That's the riff for today, my kings. Keep thinking, keep building, keep being men. This is Papa for the boys. Stay sharp, stay proud.